As President Joe Biden makes a final diplomatic push to stave off a Russian invasion of Ukraine, he is faced with looming political consequences at home that could have long lasting effects on the Democratic Party's ability to maintain its power in Washington. A Russian invasion of Ukraine, which White House officials have said could occur as early as this week, would be likely to drive up gas prices amid the highest inflation in decades, wipe out significant giant in the stock market, and give Republicans a new line of attack to argue against Biden's foreign policy acumen, putting an already unpopular presidency on even shakier ground with voters heading into the fall midterm election. Democratic strategies and full stress set. Thanks for watching.